I want to take a second to share something that is very alarming and that I've seen in the past 3 cases that have come to me. It's about concussions. And why are Black and brown people not being diagnosed with concussions? Hi, my name is Garrick McFadden, and I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ PLC, located in Maryville area of Phoenix. And I recently got 3 clients. They're all concussed. 2 were Latino, 1 was white. 1 was a Latino, 1 was a Latina, and 1 was white. The only person that got diagnosed with a concussion immediately was the white woman. One of the problems that you have being a car accident lawyer is I don't have a baseline. Your car accident lawyer does not have a baseline for what you're like before the accident. I'm coming to you, you're coming to me as you are after a car accident, maybe in the throes of a concussion. And what I use to help somebody diagnose or advocate for themselves that they are suffering from a concussion, I base it on how well they're tracking the conversation. I base it on what their job is. I base it on the severity of their car accident. I base it on symptoms that they tell me. I see if they're having word finding problems. For instance, about 2 or 3 years back, I had a Black male client that worked for one of the largest weapons manufacturers. He was the engineer for one of America's great weapons manufacturers. And he was a young man, had played high school sports, had suffered some concussions. And when I was talking to him, it became readily apparent that there's no way a person who's speaking like this man could get a job at this prestigious weapons manufacturer as an engineer unless he was in the throes of a concussion. And it turned out he was concussed. And he had to fight and be more active about getting that concussion diagnosis and getting the proper medical care for concussion therapy, such as eye tracking, physical therapy, physical therapy. There was many bad things about the wars that America has fought in the Middle East and Afghanistan. But one of the things that has come out of it, if we're looking at a silver lining, is that because our soldiers had suffered so many head trauma, the physical therapy for concussions has gotten so good. It's amazing now. And I know that, and I've seen it, how it plays out in my clients' lives. But what concerned me right now is that the only one of my clients that was able to be automatically diagnosed as having a concussion was the white woman. The Latina, after seeing her doctor, got sent to a specialist, and that specialist was like, okay, you need to go see a neurologist, not the ortho. I'm going to send the ortho center to a neurologist because that doctor recognized that she was having concussion-like symptoms. At GAMESQ, our motto is your injuries, our fight, your win. If you're having a concussion, go seek immediate medical attention.